All right. Hello. Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Can you hear me? Okay, so I see that you can hear me. I have tested the sound myself. So, like you're watching now Forex Trading with Rakesh on your favorite channel, that is Dukas Copy Academy. For those who know me, it may be a little boring for quite 1 or 2 minutes. Rodriguez is here. Hello, Rodriguez. Welcome to the stream. You are the first one here. So, my dear viewers, please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. I'm just an independent trader and analyst who is going to discuss the key levels of importance for all the forex majors and a few other pairs and a few commodities. If you stick with me till the end, I am sure that you will enjoy this and you will have a very clean and easy idea, or say uh, an easy way of going through these markets and trading them comfortably and profitably without any pressure. Okay, so what we are going to do in next 15 to 20 minutes is we are going to share with you the key levels of importance, and we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. Although this is Thursday, we have only one day left for the trading week, and that is also full of NFP. So I request you do not trade until the NFP news is out. You don't want to have your positions on when the NFP is due to release. So please bear with me. It's just my humble suggestion that do not be trading until the NFP news is out. Okay. So that said, what are we going to do here? Like I have told you, and before I start the stream, actually I should inform you that this webinar is only to be used or to be seen as for the purpose of basically entertainment rather than using it as a trading advice. It is not a trading advice. I'm not supposed to give you any trading advice. So please understand this fact, okay? And if you have any questions related to the charts or anything, you can ask me. We are live right now. Although my internet is having some problem, you may see some buffering here and there, but believe me, I will be here till 20 minutes or so, and I'll answer all your questions. Please feel free to ask them in the chat box that is provided on the right side of the video. Okay, so that being said, let's start the session by the risk disclaimer first, because if we're talking about the forex, it is traded on margin money, and there is certain risk that is associated when you trade on the margin money. So please understand the risk and trade accordingly. All right, you can pause the video here if you want to, and then only move on to the charts once you have understood all the risk. All right, what do you see? What is this chart, baby? What is this? Well, you can see here it is written dollar index against the US dollar. That means it is a dollar index, 1 day chart. Right now it is trading at 101.04. Is it familiar to you? Well, those who are trading forex, it should be familiar to them, because whenever we start trading forex, if our trading is based on the charts, then this is the chart that we should see. First of all we should have a look at, okay, where the dollar is going. Okay, so from the daily chart we can see that the dollar is going south means down, and the last high that it made, the significant high that it made, was around 103.33. With that being said, if you have understood the market structure still now, then it's fine. If not, then you can watch my previous webinars. It will be very easy for you to understand what market structures are, how we are trading them. We are only using the daily charts and the 4-hour charts or 1-hour chart for our understanding, but it is fractal in nature. That means you can use any type of chart with any time frame for the things that I'm going to discuss with you here. Okay, so this is a market structure. See the prices make. How do you identify the market structure? I will not highlight much because it is available to you in my other videos. So high, low, high, low, high, low. This high, this one here, is not valid yet. It will be valid only once the price breaks below this low. Once this happens, this will be a valid high. So right now you can say we know the price levels only till this place. Which place? This place. Now we don't know whether the price is going to go higher than 103.33 or the price is going to go below 100.2. Believe me, we don't know yet. But yes, we have a bias. We have a market structure which is making lower highs and lower lows. So we would like to open a sell trade. Hello, Sam. We would like to open a sell trade in this one with such an idea that even if we are wrong, we don't know yet, okay? But we want to open a trade in a direction which is in line with downward direction, and we want our stop loss to be very small, okay? And we'll be targeting this low at the least 100.38 because we are expecting down move. So if the price is going down, it has to touch this level at the minimum. Of course it can go even lower, but this is the minimum level. So that is the trade idea. Now how we can plan that trade? Suppose we plan that trade today. If we say uh, place a sell order here, what is the most uh, okay, what should be the possible stop loss? I will say, because this is the daily chart, I will use last swing high as my uh, stop loss. So this will be my last swing high. Now you may be thinking, oh, this is the swing high. No, this is the swing high. This is the right swing high. Okay, the price can go through this one here. The price can go through this one and still fail to trade this one and then get rejected. Boom, like this. So the idea is that even if the price trades this high and closes the candle here with a wick higher than this high, then also this is a valid trade to go sell and keep your stop loss above this wick high, and your take profit target will be this. Well, if it is based on the daily chart, because this is so huge as risk to reward ratio 1 2 3 4 5 6, almost 1:8. But because this is based on the daily chart, it may take like 1 to 2 weeks to be fruitful. Understood? So that's why we are not planning our trades like this. What we are doing is we are letting the price to go near to a point of inflection. Say this 103.33 is your point of inflection. We allow the price to go to that level. There is fair value. Yes, there is a fair value gap, of course. But I would like to say that yes, we can use it as an additional value, but still I will say that because this is not ICT and all our viewers may not be familiar with the ICT concepts, so let's not talk about fair value gap much. But over the period of time, I think my viewers will also get a hang of it. Now you see my how I view the market. I view market as a retail trader, whereas ICT looks at it from the from the perspective of liquidity and the fair value gaps, or you can say liquidity and imbalance perspective. And we both can be profitable if you know how to, you know, what how to place your trades. Now I am trying to kind of assimilate both of the logics. Yes, this is a fair value. We know that when the price goes here, we'll be looking for a selling opportunity with a target this one. Okay. Okay, just okay, I'll not explain it much, otherwise you will get confused. Those who don't know the ICT concepts, they will definitely get confused. So I want to make it simple for them. My understanding is that if the price goes close to this area, and then you see some candle here in the form of like what do you call it, bearish engulfing, or say bearish pin bar, you can look for a selling opportunity on the lower time frames like 1 hour or so, and then you can see if you can push button over there with a small stop loss. Now okay,
Just one example like this, and thereafter we will go to the other time frames. Okay, now, sorry, other charts. Suppose this is the chart, and we switch to the 1 hour. Now this is the same chart, but we are looking at the 1 hour. Suppose the price goes like this: ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding, and then finally price pierces through this high, say for like wick, and then it breaks the structure here. Suppose so, this break in the market structure, that is the price making lower low, is an anticipation for us that yes, now the price will make a lower high and then it will start making lower lows. Because if we are expecting the price to go down to this 100.29, this is the way, this is the only way the price can go like this. But since we are expecting something to happen here, so we will watch for this thing to happen. We will watch for this thing to happen. We will watch for the price to go and break a recent low, swing low on the 1 hour, and we'll anticipate the price to go into something like this. Of course, there will be a fair value gap here. There you will find a fair value gap here, and you will sell in that fair value gap. But let's not talk about that for now. Say even if you sell this around here, okay, your stop loss would be here above this high the price made. Okay. Oh my god, whenever I double click it opens up like this, and your take profit will be somewhere here. There's a ruler here. If you say measure this price here, this is 10 point stop loss, and you have potential of making 300 points as the profit. Now only and only if you base your trades on 1 hour time frame and you target daily time frame. But is it right? I don't know. Right now it looks right to me. Why it looks right to me? Because I have aligned my 1 hour with my daily time frame. Don't you think so? I'm sorry, guys. So do you understand this? So it doesn't matter now that you are a retail trader or you are trading on the SMC concepts. It doesn't really matter. If you are really using the levels into your favor, I hope you got the idea. Okay, so this was not my intention actually to explain this all about the US dollar, because I wanted to make it concise today, only 20 minutes or 30, so that we can stick with each other here, and then we can wrap up the session. So the idea is that US dollar is going down on the daily time frame, so we'll be looking for the higher prices on the pound against the US dollar. Is this what is happening today? Yes, so this is exactly what is happening. We had a break of the market structure, at least on the daily, for some time yesterday, and today we were expecting higher prices. This is what we are expecting. From here we are expecting a down move. Why we are expecting a down move from here? Let's go and zoom out. Okay, why we are expecting the price to go there and get rejected? Why? You see some things here. The price was going down, 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 then it started going up, 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 and after taking this liquidity the price has shown us some reason, or say some willingness to go down, although it was stopped here because the dollar is going down. Okay, now the dollar is going down, 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 but the dollar can go down to some extent. We know this 100 or maybe 99.20. This is the optimum level for the US dollar to stay. So I'm expecting the pound to rise, and I'm expecting it to fall either from 1.3298 or maybe from somewhere here in between these two lines. This is what my expectation is. So whenever that happens, I'll be looking for a shorting opportunity in the long run for the pound to sell it with a long term perspective. I hope that is understood. If not understood, please let me know. I'm looking for shorting the pound, not now, but I'm expecting the price to rise, and for to rise actually above this 1.3298, or to be precise above 1.3300 and below 1.3437. I'm expecting some bearish market structure shift from there. All right. So what about euro? What is happening in euro? I think we discussed about the euro that we'll be looking for the buying opportunity close to this area of 1.0881, and we were expecting the price to go like this, down, 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 down. I'm still looking for the down move in the euro, but today the euro is bullish. So what we can do? Can we do anything? No, we cannot do anything. So we just stay away from this, or we look at the previous levels of the euro and start comparing it, how we can expect some targets. You see this fair value gap? This is what the price traded and started going lower. Then it traded this fair value gap, started going higher. Well, this is the next level of liquidity that I can see, 1.1275. Once the price takes that, maybe we will see a fall, just like in the case of pound I have explained. Now the price is what? Bearish, of course. This is an order block. This is a good order block. Now what is an order block? Okay, I don't know if I can explain that, but this down close candle was an order block while the price was going down. Once it has broken, now this will act as a breaker block. So the price may not go higher than the high of this rectangle. Will you wait for short-term confirmation trend by pound? Yes. Now, in the longer term, actually, if you want to go for a reversal, you will be waiting for the daily candles to reverse. Okay. For the entry, you can see short-term confirmation. I mean, this has to happen. First, this leg has to happen in the daily chart like this. Then when you have to enter, you will be using this leg up in the shorter time frame. Okay, this leg up in the shorter time frame you will use to enter short. You cannot enter short here. You have to wait for the market structure shift, not shift, it will be called market structure break. When there is a reversal, it is called market structure break. When there is a shift, it is just a shift like this one. This is a shift. This is a market structure shift. But this is a break, market structure break. I hope I'm understood in this place. So you're talking about the euro. Although I'm bullish on the pound for some time, but for the euro, I'm not that bullish. It looks like euro is heavier than the British pound. So what I'm expecting, even if it starts going higher, it may not be able to reach 1.1275. All right. So what is my expectation? And my expectation is the price will reverse from here, maybe from this fair value gap, or maybe from this bearish breaker only. The price may not be able to reach the high of this. So let's see what happens. Tomorrow is NFP, big day. Anything can happen, right? So let's see what happens tomorrow. Well, I'm actually expecting the price to go down to 1.0949. Maybe then we can look for some buying opportunities in the euro. But right now, the market looks very heavy for the euro. Australian dollar, yesterday we said that stay away from this because the characteristics that it is showing is not matching with the standard market correlation. Now, US dollar was going down, Australian dollar was supposed to go up, but it is also going down. Well, to take that liquidity, we can say to some extent it is going to that liquidity, but after taking that liquidity, it did not show any impulsive move. Like when the market takes the liquidity, it shows an impulsive move, just like this one. It has taken the liquidity. See how much impulsive it was. So this was expected here, but it did not give that impulsive move. That means even if the price rises from here, it will be sold off very soon. So I'm expecting the selling very, very soon. Now, when will that happen? I'm really not aware, but I'll be looking for something like this. I'll be looking for something like this. Now, if that happens and the price closes below this low here, then I'll be looking for the selling opportunity as close as to that area. I'll be looking for selling opportunity in this area. I hope that is understood. Now, this will be, now all the measures will be based on the same thing, that the US dollar is going down. Now, if the US dollar is going down, USD CHF is expected to go down. Everything which is starting with the US dollar is expected to go down. Yes, USD JPY is expected to go down. So I'm coming back to the New Zealand dollar actually. So you see, this is the similar thing. That's why I said stay away from the New Zealand dollar also, because Australian dollar and the New Zealand is both are behaving the same manner. Although New Zealand dollar has shown some strength today, based on the selling of the, now it has entered the fair value gap. Why it is so difficult for the New Zealand dollar to travel high from this area? Because this fair value gap may not allow the price to go higher. You see that? So these fair value gaps actually are very important things, not very important, but I will say very strong things. If you search about them, what is a fair value gap, and if you read about them online, maybe if you go to ICT's channel, Michael Hudson, and then study there, you will understand that this is a very nice thing to understand, and use them in your concepts along with others. Okay, you don't need any other indicators but this. Anyways, what I was saying is that the price may not be able to breach and go higher than this. Now, if the price closes higher than this, definitely the up move will start. But if the price fail to go higher and closes a day again below this fair value gap, then 0.6154 is for sure on the charts. USD CHF on the similar lines of the others, it is also going down towards, I think, 0.8333. We have discussed this yesterday only. We don't want to frame any trade on this right now, because it is, see, it is very much away from the resistance level, this one and also this one. So I don't think that there's any possibility of framing any trade on the USD CHF, so we'll stay away from this one also. And the USD CAD, there is a possibility of framing a trade over here right now, because after trading this fair value gap here, you see, after trading this fair value gap, the price has given us a bearish engulfing on the daily, bearish engulfing on the daily. So that means once the price tests this area, now again you see that that is happening exactly. The price tests this area, got rejected. So where is it going? To this low, 1.3441. Today, tomorrow, we don't know. Maybe next week. But yes, it is definitely going towards 1.3441. What about the US dollar against the yen? Well, you can see it is trying to go lower. Why it is trying to go lower? We don't know why it is trying to go lower, but even possibly to take these lows, maybe, or maybe to take these lows, or maybe to take these lows. Well, this is a downtrend. Why it is going down, we don't know, but yes, it is going. So we will use that opportunity and frame the trades. But is it possible to frame a trade right now, today? No, it is not possible, because it has already dropped a lot. It was possible yesterday and day before yesterday. Now, no. What about the Bitcoin? Did we ask our friends to leave their positions in the Bitcoin? I think yes. Yesterday only we have advised, although we are not supposed to give any advice. So I will, rather than advising, I will say, if you are holding any position in the Bitcoin, exit them. Exit them. I am not okay, this is only for entertainment purpose, but I will not ask you to keep or open any new positions, long positions in the Bitcoin. Do not do that. Okay, Bitcoin is going to dustbin. Bitcoin is going to dust. I cannot stress it more. The next level is 53,562, and after that we will have 55,78. Any close on the daily basis below 55,78 will push the dustbin. Sorry, will push the prices to this area here. You see, this is almost dustbin, 38,548. When it will come, we don't know. Maybe within a week, just like that, just like that. You don't know. Okay, so I will say, if you have Bitcoin, this is your time to exit. All right, what about Brent? We are looking for 72 levels in the Brent, and I think we have got it today. No, we have not got it yesterday. No, we still have to get a target of 72.33. The price is trading at 72.57. 72.33 is right on the chart. Let me open up my 15 minutes chart and I will tell you if it is coming in next 15 minutes or not. Now you might be thinking, oh, okay, she was saying that we are only going to see 4 hours, 1 hour, and 1 day. No, we can check 15 minutes also. Bitcoin requires what? Rodriguez. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Okay, so Brent. Okay, guys, 7233 may be tested in like next 15 minutes. In next 15 minutes, okay. But okay, do not press any button, do not open any trade. The prices can go anywhere, so this is not a trading advice, okay. I'm just saying this fall, then they tried to buy it, but no, it was sold off. I think any close below this green candle will open up the way for 72.33, but it is not a trading advice. Don't look at that, and don't look at like that, okay. But yes, we have the targets at 72.33, but that is not all. We have the lower targets, but we framed our trades only till here, and now there's a lot of liquidity below that level. 70.15 is the level from where I am expecting a buying. If that level doesn't hold as a support, that means if there are not enough buyers at this level of 70.15, boom, the next level is 64.99. So you see that what is happening here. Maybe the crude is also going to dustbin. I'm just saying, okay guys, I'm just saying based on this price action. I'm not I'm a fundamentalist who knows what is happening in the world, but this chart is showing me that people are not willing to take the delivery in the crude oil even at the 72.57. So what does it mean? They want lower prices. Where are the lower prices? 64. After 70 there is 64, 65. So let's see how the things unfold. 72.33 is definitely going to be tested today, I think. What is happening in the gold? Well, churning. This is called churning. The price is neither going higher nor going lower, and I'm expecting this price action for a few days from now. Why I'm expecting this? Because we are at all-time highs. We are not ready to sell this, and we are not ready to go higher. And I concluded this from my yesterday's analysis that the price is trading above these highs, but it is not ready to go higher. It is not even going to lower also, but yes, it is churning. So some price action like this, and then eventually we will have a move higher or lower. It depends, okay. Whichever direction the price moves after this consolidation ends, you would love to trade the market in that direction, okay. Euro JPY, we are looking for the lower prices in this one. Yesterday we were looking for the lower prices, today the price is going down, and this is actually the price action that we are looking for. Should we frame a trade on this? Yes. Based on the daily, we have just seen a small fair value gap in this one. I would like to unlock the chart and show you that if my friends are or my viewers want to frame some trade. Now, this is a rectangle that I have created. If the price goes into this rectangle tomorrow, you may be looking for a shorting opportunity in this one. You see, the euro, I told you that it is also heavy. Euro is heavy and the yen is strong. So what conclusion do we have? We have a conclusion that 158.08 is on the charts, and maybe even 154.42 and 153.17 is also on the chart. Before that, it may go higher to just retest or just to test this rectangle, which is also called a fair value gap. Understood? What about the pound against the Australian dollar? Well, pound against the Australian dollar, I told you yesterday that this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting, what you call it? This is called a rocket, but this will become a rocket if and only if. Okay, this is called a propulsion block. Basically, I just learned it a few days back. If the price gives a close higher than this red candle, okay, you can note it down somewhere if you want to. If the price give, okay, I will unlock it first. Now look at this. I'm claiming this in front of you beforehand. If the green candle, not specifically this one, if the next green candle, say if the next candle closes oh come on, oh come on, where is the fill? Okay, like this. If the next candle closes green just above the high, just even one tick above the high of this candle, okay, this candle I'm talking about, then the next candle, whatever next candle forms, okay, where is it, what is it, whenever the next candle forms, okay, whenever the next candle forms, when it trades, when it trades this level here, So the idea is that even if the wick of that candle, oh my god, but you understood, right? Even if the wick of that candle trades this high, even if the wick of that candle trades this high, then this candle will be like this. Boom. Just telling you, okay? This candle will be like a rocket, like this. Just told you something. This candle will be like a rocket. Okay, it may be like this, it may be like this, it may be like this, and the next candle may be, it basically it will run towards 1.9968 just like that. This is my expectation, actual expectation on this pound against the. I may be oversaying this, but this is what my expectation is, guys. I hope you understand that. This is what my expectation is on the pound against the Australian dollar. So let's go to CHFGPY. Okay, all the yen pairs are supposed to go down because yen being stronger currency nowadays, and it is still getting stronger. So I'm expecting lower prices to be tested 166.80 on this. Any break lower will open up the way for even lower prices in this one. Framing a trade in this one is possible only if the price trades this fair value that is being created today by this price. Okay. What about the Australian dollar against the New Zealand? They are correlated pairs. Both are trading in the similar direction. So I'm expecting in this one also, I'm expecting that eventually maybe drop or go higher, whichever direction. But right now, I'm expecting the price to go sideways from here. Because you see, even the Australian dollar is at these highs and not able to go anywhere. And even the New Zealand dollar is at the highs and is able to go nowhere. So when both are going nowhere, so both are staying, when they are compared against each other, they are going nowhere. I hope you understand that. Gas, we were looking for the lower prices yesterday, but today the price has been the high of that yesterday's candle is broken, and I think we can even make a close even higher than 2.272. Now if that happens, then of course higher prices are available on the charts. So I might be thinking, oh, this is a head and shoulder breakout, but whatever you think. But yes, there are a lot of stop losses here which may be taken out, and eventually the price may even go lower. But right now it is suggesting that the prices are going higher to test maybe 2.4499 on the charts. Then there's EuroCAD. Well, EuroCAD is going higher, maybe to test 1.5043. But I'm actually looking for the lower prices in the EuroCAD. Why? Because the euro is heavier. Second, there is a fair value gap. This is called first fair value gap. Maybe the prices are going to test this area from where the prices can reverse actually, and then we can look for 1.4576 area in this one. This is my idea. Okay, Ethereum. My friend was asking yesterday, one of my friends was asking for the Ethereum. He wanted to euro to go to Ethereum to go to 1,000, and I am really expecting the Ethereum is going to 1,000, really. Okay, looking at this price action, it really looks like it is dropping very fast, even faster than the Bitcoin. And not only 1,000, but I think 875 is possible in this chart. Let's see, that will take time, but right now I don't have any hope of Ethereum going higher from here. Till the time it doesn't break 2813, I'm not expecting Ethereum to go anywhere higher. That's all, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and if not, then we would like to wrap up this session and see you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. What say? All right, guys, I don't see any questions coming up here. So I would like to wrap up this session by just saying that I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that will be of interest in the coming hours and days. Just remember, please risk less than 1% of your equity on any single trade so that you can live for another day to trade again. And be sure that you press your button only if you have a surety that you are going to make 3% at least if you are risking 1%. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Those who are new, please consider subscribing to the channel, and those who are old and new, a mix of each other, they can press the like button if it was of any use to you. Like is what I need, and you can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.